Alright, so a few months back we came across this old 95 F350 wrecker. Ended up buying it for, a restoration project, something to do. So this is kind of like the big thing I've been working on. I don't really do repair videos. You can see it's pretty rough here. This is all initial teardown. Bunch of stuff going on here. Getting floor pans, made it in, everything else. Kind of spiraled into a bigger project than I anticipated originally. But just something I've been working on. Figured you guys might get a little bit of a kick out of it. Doors and all the initial wiring I yanked out of that thing, all excess nonsense. And just different phases of the teardown. I really didn't take any video. This is getting ready to take the body and all that off. Just strip it down and try to build it back up. It's got the 7.3 in it. Just an old school autoloader setup, pretty basic. Cutting off all the rusted diamond plate here that was welded every like 2 inches. That was a lot of fun finding the supports and all. But bit by bit, tearing it down, getting it there. Rear end's rebuilt already. Getting everything prepped here. And yeah, basically just going through and step by step, kind of front to back, or back to front rather. Getting it back to where it should be, and hopefully this will end up being, I guess, a little kind of relaxing in its own way project. And something that'll look good, be fun to drive around. Like I said, I don't really do repair videos. I definitely don't do restoration videos. Typical rotted out Ford spring hangers here. Initial prep, taking down a lot of the old paint. More spring hanger stuff, rear end work. Getting involved in the hydraulics and figuring out the winch wiring here, which still has to be done. A lot that needs to be cleaned up and fixed under the engine compartment. Leaking radiator, going to need a new cam sensor, new under valve cover gasket harnesses, which have all been done 1,000,001 times, but maybe we'll throw a couple troubleshooting videos up on a few issues it's got. Door fitted, initial paint on the jams, Screaming Yellow, I think it's called, or Corvette Yellow. No, not Screaming. It was originally going to be Screaming Yellow. Sitting there getting ready to go to the body shop for some professional paint work. All loaded up, ready to go. And there it is, sitting over in the paint booth. Looking good so far. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so it's just kind of bit by bit been plugging away at it. Still needs a lot of touch-up, a lot of little things here and there, but we're getting there. Yeah, I mean, lighting in it. Got to put the step lights in. Smoked lights. Took forever to remember how in the heck I space out something evenly in a weird section, a weird length. Walked into that one, but it's actually turning out pretty good on it. And it's just, I don't know, something different, and really haven't played around with an OBS board in a while, so we'll see. If you guys want to see more, or at least the troubleshooting side, we'll do it.